said I won't be here for Midsummer Night's Dream, but I came to play Shakespeare last year, and despite the fact it poured with rain, we had a fantastic evening, and all the money, as you know, goes to a really, really good cause. So please, if you'd like to come, Dan will be sitting up here selling tickets for you. One more announcement. On Friday, this Friday, June 4th, at Yarun, there was a party for members of the Society of Paraceutics and Amputations, and they are short of transport to take people to Yarun, and they've asked us if we can provide 5 or 6 cars with drivers to pick people up in their homes, transport them to Yarun, stay there and enjoy the party if you want to, and then take them home again at the end of the day. So if any of you have some time on Friday to do that, they would be very grateful for that. And also this is one way that we actually can help in a very positive way, as well as obviously doing all the money raising things that we do. So we need to know by we need to know today. So come and see me if you think you've got time on Friday, and we'll have access to a car and can do that transportation. We only need 5 or 6 people this car. And I think that's all. Enjoy yourselves, and once again, it's very, very nice to meet you. Yeah?
I nabbed it. They said it was for free. They just put it on like a story. You're going to be very quick. Very quick.
No, Lynn, you have it.
No, Lynn. Sorry. Sorry. I thought she had it. You have to be quick. Who brought it? We'll clarify that in a moment anyway.
Please write a raffle ticket. Thank you very much.
Okay. So you're feeling okay? Great. Okay. You're normal.
Yeah.
Normal and like everybody
I have and I am. Yeah. She has really the difference between both. But then she's reading the text which is really complicated and it seems like she has bye-bye. It's because she has been in the kindergarten. Okay.
friend who kind of did a whole swing, swing was up and coming.
But they still have that on satellite. They've got couples and they show.
war nicht mein
Yeah. We didn't have it for ages. Now we have it. It's great.
Ein wenig runter in die Stadt, kam einer von oben und hat mich von der rechts.
Aber ich muss dir sagen, genau an der Stelle hätte ich auch fast mal einen Unfall gehabt. Ja.
Nicht viel, aber der ist
Weil da die Ampel nämlich eigentlich rot ist und wenn man links abbiegt,